Today, you will learn how to treat and prevent scars using banana, musk rose, and aloe vera. When we talk about beauty, the first thing that usually comes to mind is skincare, right? After a lot of research, we always find a common ingredient to make skin more hydrated and lend it a glow. Do you know what we are talking about? It's aloe vera. Have you ever used anything with aloe vera on your skin? Tell us in the comments. We love hearing from you. But today, you will learn how to treat and prevent scars using banana, musk rose, and aloe. Old scars are the hardest ones to remove, but they can be more subtle even and have better mobility. The causes for scars are many, the most common being cuts for surgery, severe acne, burns, tattoos, traumatic wounds, and vaccines. Healing is a natural process of repairing the skin and happens after the rupture of skin tissue. Usually around 60 days, scars are completely healed, not hurting or itching, but can still be darker than the skin around, raised or glued to the muscle. After this healing period, you can start the treatment with aloe. Aloe vera has moisturizing and healing action. Its hydrating power also helps with wrinkles and fine lines, keeping the skin moisturized. And since it is anti-inflammatory, soothing, and healing, it contributes to healing scars, acne spots, and removing stains. Remove the gel from an aloe leaf and let it soak in water for 5 minutes. This process removes aloin, a toxic substance that can irritate the skin. After that, blend the gel in a blender until smooth. Add 30 drops of musk rose oil. Choose the purest oil available. Mix well and store in a bottle. Musk rose oil has anti-inflammatory properties, stimulates cellular renovation, reduces inflammation, and helps with healing. The oil also has high vitamin A levels, which has regenerative action. Apply over the scar, gently massaging. Remember to avoid going out in the sun when applying it to exposed areas, such as hands and face, until the scar is completely healed, or it can cause your skin to stain. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. As we have seen in another video on our channel, banana peels are a sustainable way of using the whole fruit. Rich in vitamins C and E, potassium, zinc, iron, and magnesium, banana peels contain esterified fatty acids that help reduce irritation, swelling, redness, and scars. For post-acne scar treatment, for example, wash your face with soap, gently exfoliating it. Then, grab a banana peel and using a spoon, scrape off that white paste on the inside. Apply it over scars after exfoliating, gently massaging the skin until it dries. Do it always at night and sleep with the banana paste on your skin. The following morning, wash your face, apply saline solution, and if you want, use some aloe and musk rose gel, the one you made above, besides sunscreen. So, did you know these uses for aloe, musk rose, and banana peel? Tell us what uses you knew for these ingredients, and if there is a way of using them that was not mentioned in the video, share it with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.